Hey everyone, this is Braxton from the Writing Center, and today we're going to go over the differences between possessive nouns and plural nouns. So let's start with what is a noun. A noun is commonly described as a person, place, thing, or idea. So people are nouns. Any place that you've ever been to is considered a noun. Anything, any idea, these are things that you can touch, things that you can think of. Really, they are the objects or the things that we talk about. When there is more than any one given noun, it is said to be plural. Here's an example. The boys are hungry. So in the sentence, the boys are the noun. And because there is more than one boy, the noun is plural. So boy is the standard noun, and then we make it plural by adding that S to the end. So when we say the boys are hungry, suddenly there's more than one boy that we're talking about. Now, when a noun has ownership over another noun, it is said to be possessive. For example, the girl's dog ran away. So our first noun is girl. And girl is possessive of dog. She owns that dog, it's her dog, and so we show that she owns it by adding an apostrophe and an S. So the girl's dog ran away. That shows the ownership over the dog. As you noticed, plural nouns have an S at the end, and possessive nouns have an apostrophe and an S. Sometimes, though, nouns can be plural and possessive. When this happens, the word's apostrophe is going to come after that final S. So we're going to put the S at the end to show that it's plural, but we're also going to add an apostrophe after the S to show that it's both plural and possessive. Here's an example for you. So both of the dog's leashes are old and worn. Let's look at our noun. Dogs is our primary noun here, and there is more than one dog. They both are possessive of their leashes, so that is why we have the apostrophe after the S. Two dogs are involved, or maybe three, there's more than one. All of them have some sort of ownership over their leash or their leashes. Here are some more examples for you. Make sure to pay attention to the location of the apostrophe in each of these. The boys' treehouse withstood the storm. This noun is possessive and plural, so there's more than one boy, and they are all possessive of the treehouse. Here's another example. The dogs didn't like the treats that we bought them. Both of these underlined nouns are plural. There's more than one dog, there's more than one treat, but there isn't any ownership. There's simply more than one, so they're plural. My friend's cat is adorable. Friends is possessive. There's only one friend involved in this sentence, and they have some form of ownership over the cat that's being discussed. Now, here are a few things to remember. Plural, which means more than one, always requires an S at the end of the word. And when I say S, sometimes, depending on the word, you're going to have to change the Y at the end of the word to an IES. Sometimes you're going to have to add an ES. Sometimes it's just an S. And if you have issues with making words plural, make sure to meet with a tutor. We can go over that more in depth. Possessive nouns, which show ownership, have an apostrophe and an S at the end. These are the nouns that say the girl's dog. So the girl owns the dog. The girl somehow possesses the dog. And then we also have nouns that are plural and possessive. This is where there's more than one of the noun, and all of them have ownership over another object. In this situation, we put an apostrophe after the final S. So we add an S to the end of this word, and then we put an apostrophe after it. So that's it for today, but if you need more help, check out this tutorials handout or make an appointment to meet with a tutor. We'd be more than happy to go over this with you again, or more in depth if you need a little bit more help. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.